Wishful thinking. Wishful thinking is something I'm just thinking about. I'm not ready to put into work because I'm just thinking. And when you think, you don't put into work, you're just kept on thinking, thinking, and thinking, and nothing is done. Nothing ever will be done. It's just the reality because when I'm wishing for something, I'm just merely wishing, oh, I wish I could have done that. Oh, I wish I could have scored so good marks in that particular subject. And again, the results will be same. Zero. Literally zero. Why? Because I'm just merely wishing. And when you wish, you just wish and you're not putting into work. And wishful thinking is totally different from reality because in reality, we have to work and keep working on things. But in wishful thinking, we have created that imaginary image in our mind that, okay, I'll do that. I'll do that next week. Okay, I'll do that next month probably. And still, we are on the same page because we are not doing anything about it. For example, let's say there are two kids named Jim and Corbett, and the Jim is studying day and night to score, for example, 100 out of 100, and whereas the Corbett is just wishing to score 100 out of 100. He's not putting it to work. He's not working day and night to score just like Jim. After exam result came and Corbett scored 50, let's say, out of 100, and Jim scored 100 out of 100. So what's the difference? This is the thing. Corbett just thought that he would, and Jim, he did it. He actually did it. He know it takes sweat, it takes day and night to score good in exam. It's just one of those examples I'm telling you to focus on the concept of reality versus wishful thinking. Wishful thinking is just, okay, I'm hoping, okay, someday that might happen, okay, and I'm just only prayer, okay, I would say to God, okay, please give me good scores in the exam. Please do that for me. Please do that for me. Please do this for me. So I want to say you something very important. And the thing is, God helps those who helps themselves. God helps those who help themselves. If you are not helping yourself, so don't expect anything from God. Not at all. So this is the wishful thinking. I want to say that, okay, this is the wishful thinking I want to put focus on. So stop wishful thinking. Just stop right now. Even if just you're doing it, it's okay, but just stop it. And so it's just merely a wishing, or it's nothing else more than that. For another example, let's take, I want to get abs to impress girls, and I'm just thinking about, oh, one day I will have abs and I will be dating a lot of girls at the same time, but I'm not willing to go to gym. I'm not willing to lift up those heavy bundles. I'm not willing to lift those heavy exercise tools, whatever they are, because I don't go to gym. I do exercise, but I don't go to gym. But whatever they are, you're not ready for that. So just get in the habit of action. If you're not getting into the habit of action, then I'm sorry. Your brain is dominating your thoughts. The brain is telling you, oh, it takes so much strength. It takes hard work to become more and more hell. And eventually, when you will realize, maybe it will be too late to realize. So it's better to start doing anything, whatever you want in life, just put into action. So this is my challenge to you. Just take a notepad, whatever you use, I don't know, just take a notepad. In my case, I use notepad. So take a notepad, write down your goals, whatever they are, might be, I don't know, write them out, write on the notepad, and just give it a deadline, what you want to achieve, and then write those baby steps that you want to achieve. I'm not saying that, okay, achieve your goals within a month or within 2 months. That this is not reality. Again, this is just visual thinking, and just stop doing that. So just take a notepad, write your goals, write down your baby steps, and put in work. Plan out, put in work. Plan out how. Just write your goals every month in advance. Prepare yourself every month. For example, January is coming to an end, and then I will, by the end of the week of the January, I will start planning out my whole month of February, and then break it down into weeks, then break it down to days, and that's how you do it. Just make a checklist of days and make a whole month of the plan. That's how you will come to know that, okay, this is the way things has to be done, not just merely about thinking. Because if you're thinking, you're just keep on thinking, nothing eventually will be done. So stop doing that. As Zig Ziglar said, you don't have to be great to start, you just have to start to be great. Let me repeat that again. You don't have to be great to start, you just have to start to be great. So just do it. No one is stopping you. Just do it. This is the thing I want you to make aware of. Just do it so people stop doing wishful thinking. Get into the habit of action.